Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the game world to flag the Dawnguard introduction. This typically requires being at least level 10 or visiting Fort Dawnguard area. Once done, place yourself near populated areas like Riverwood, Whiterun, or a graveyard and be ready. Random vampire attacks or an NPC courier will trigger the quest. Make sure to talk to anyone mentioning a vampire problem and follow up with guards and townsfolk. That dialogue often hands you the next actionable lead toward the Dawnguard contact. Once you have the lead, head directly to Fort Dawnguard located north of Riffin. Fast travel there if unlocked or travel by carriage to nearby hold. When you arrive, approach calmly and listen. Guards or patrols will either challenge you or direct you to Isrin. You must speak with Isrin to accept the Dawnguard questline and choose allegiance later, so make sure to trigger that conversation. If combat occurs, clear it quickly, then re-engage NPCs to resume the quest acceptance. You finish by formally accepting the quest from Isrin and reviewing objectives on your map. He provides the Dawnguard missions and gear options as you progress. From there, follow the objective markers to start vampire lair raids and fortress defense tasks. Prioritize clearing lairs to unlock more missions. If the quest doesn't trigger, make sure to wait 24 in-game hours, fast travel away and back, or load an earlier save. These simple resets resolve most missing start issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.